Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Plant-Based Storm. I'm Stormy, and today I just wanted to do a really quick video showing you how easy it can be to put something together in the evening time when you don't really have a whole lot prepared. The only thing that I had prepared for me was I asked my husband to put on the wild rice, which I'll show you, and everything else I cooked and had dinner on the table in about 35 to 45 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started, jump right into that, and show you how simple and easy it can be to eat a delicious whole food plant-based meal whenever you're running low on time.
So tonight I'm making a harvest bowl, and it's going to have a bunch of little simple ingredients in it but be really good and delicious. So the first thing I'm doing is cutting up my potatoes. These are 2 Yukon Gold potatoes. They're not peeled because the skin is so thin. You can always peel these if you'd like. I'm also dicing up a peeled purple sweet potato, and then I'm going to add in this garlic salt, and it's actually measuring an ounce, so it's like a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, and I sprinkle it all over and mix it up really well. And then it's going into the oven to bake at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. So I'm also adding Cruciferous Crunch to the potatoes. I put this in 15 minutes after the potatoes had already been cooking and allow it to cook the rest of the time the potatoes are in there. It just lightly cooks it and makes it really delicious. I had wild rice in the Instant Pot, and my husband did this for me. So it's 1 cup of wild rice and then 1.5 cups of low sodium vegetable broth, and it is natural release. So he did this for me before I got home. So the potatoes are done. They baked for 30 minutes and the Cruciferous Crunch baked for 15. It's time to put the bowl together. So I add in about half of that of rice and the other half of potatoes. And then I'm going to add in the Cruciferous Crunch right on top of that. And you can just add what you want. I was aiming for a 50-50 plate, so I put a good bit of the Cruciferous Crunch on here. So to this, I added a little bit of lentils at the top right, and I cooked that with 1/2 cup of lentils and 1 cup of water until they were done for about 30 minutes. I also added in some sunflower seeds and a little bit of hummus. I made really simply by using a can of chickpeas, the juice of 1 lemon, and a teaspoon of tahini. Blend it up until smooth, and then some fresh basil.
I wanted to show you what it was like putting together a meal quickly with plant-based ingredients, especially whenever you're running low on time and you didn't have a lot of things prepped. So I hope this is helpful. This is a real-life meal that we ate tonight and something that we would do anytime in a pinch. So I hope that you liked what you saw. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.